Kadpa kejingkren yesuk hapo haikut kadangnya syakmat mentai kasngi mi kipai ba bhor hapo surok banyaki hapo kejingnya kren kebaya kren hapo haikut katkum u syashi tarur badai UMP congkalok sabha kadba udangnya site hapo Supreme Court ulaong ba balai Prime Minister jungi don AA banle halor kane kejingjia baloong bahadu ars pa angut kibriu kilayap Indriu Pro Hajar Mut Kibriu Lap Het Lamwir Bat Chis Ba Sab Kendai Deli Ki Ying Mani Kila Sya Thang Bat Bun Ba Ki Ying Kisem Ki Bala Sya Penjot Penpra Halor Kane Kecing Ya Kajia Balai Ba Umla Banle AA Halor Kane Kecing Jia Ula Kren Da Kecing Benyau Hadien Kecing Yalang Kaba Lap Penlong Hapo Haikut Bat Kani Kecing Ya Kren Yasuk Hapo Haikut Kadanya Syakmat Terter Bat Sngap ya ke keba huni UMP nak liang galok sabha wong don man ong ye.
Look, disruption is a very unfortunate situation. The opposition is united in taking the view that the Prime Minister should take into account the gravity of the situation, where 200 lives have been lost, 60,000 people have been displaced, 149 churches have been desecrated and damaged. We have seen houses burned and destroyed. One of our own ministers, Minister of State, R.K. Singh, has had his own house destroyed. All this kind of breakdown of law and order, or in the words of the Supreme Court, breakdown of the constitutional machinery in the state, requires